Hi everyone, just going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the while loop in C. So include the header to start off with. Start the main. Declare some basic variables. Initialize the variables, which is always good practice. So all I'm going to do is just calculate the cube of each number and print it out. New line to make it look pretty. And increment the number by the step. So in this case, I've set my step to 2. So we should see 50 numbers with their cubes. Let's compile it. That seems to have compiled okay. There we go. We've got the powers, the cube powers of every even number because we're stepping by 2. There's one little thing you can do rather than doing number equals to number plus step. You can do number plus equal step, which is a shorter way of doing it. You can do it in many other languages as well. It has the same effect as number equals number plus step. Just compile that again, run it, you get the same result.